Hello, I'm Nancy, and this is all about events for Diamond Painting Friends 2.0 plus friends. Have to start with a cup of coffee before I get started. I'm excited. Are you excited? Why are you excited? Because there's events in March and April, and then now is the time for you to prep for May. I am going to start with the big ones. Okay, we've got Mindy's Diamonds and Crafts. Mindy's Diamond Moments. I apologize, Mindy. Mindy's Diamond Moments. She is doing a truck along this month. There is a video out there with all the details. I'm sure you already know about it, but go check it out. There is also one, Lady DP 24 and more. She's not really big, but she's doing a covered bridge event or anything under the bridge. Go check out Ladybug 24 DP, the letter N, more for her details on her event. I need to do that again because Ladybug is a small channel and she needs a big announcement. Go see Ladybug DP 24 and more. Go! I'm sure you're doing a Pinson project. It qualifies. That's better. Okay, now we also have Laura from Anxiety Art Adventures for April. April. It is the Lubica event, and I've got one. So yeah, you have to have a Lubica canvas to participate. So as far as I know, the only place you can get them at the moment is Amazon. So you can get this one. This one does not qualify you for grand prizes, but you can still win weekly prizes. So if you're in it for prizes, go grab this one. We've got, I think that's, also go check out Sparkling Diamonds with Robin and Brittany and Robin. She has a whole list on her description of all the upcoming events, I think for through the summer. Go check hers out for more information on any of those. And then Chris Colassa, partnering with Artemis Dreams. They're doing a Lego/puzzle event. Join their event. They are doing prizes. Let's go check them out. Okay, now Artemis is under 1,000 subscribers, so she needs a yell. Go see Artemis Dreams. Go check her out. She's real. She's a lot of fun. And she's got a little bestie. And she just did a resin video. Go check it out. Okay. And Chris Colassa has a list of events in the description of his videos. So go check those out for more events. What else? Okay, now we've got Tita, Diamonds by Tita. She has, for March, Bloom Butterflies Bunnies. Anything with blooms, butterflies, or bunnies qualifies for her paint along. April, she's doing a Gracie event. Her dog's name is Gracie. So you can do anything that's got animals, cats, well, that's an animal, wildlife, seed life, I mean, anything with whiskers, a pig, any kind of animal, birds. Go check out Diamonds by Tita. I'm sure and she allows all kinds of crafts. So go check out Diamonds by Tita. Go check her out. The next one we have is Starlight Starbright 70. Star this month is doing gnomes. Now you can do gnomes. You can make up a story about gnomes. Say you're doing the covered bridge. You can say there's gnomes that live under the bridge, but they're hiding. Star also allows any type of craft. Anything. You can do a coloring sheet. You can do a paint by number. You can make up a story. She loves stories. Make up a song. Send it to her. Maybe she'll put it to her fancy music and play it out there and, hey, give you a shout out. Why not? Go check that out. And in May, Star is doing May the Force Be With You. It's not what you think, but you're going to work your stash. You're going to stay strong. You're going to have the force, and you're going to pick something out from your stash, or from your coloring book, or from your puzzle stash, or from your paint by number stash, or by your knitting stash. But you gotta have the force to stay strong and get something from your stash. Okay, now we have a little channel, like me, but it's not me. Vanna's Crafty Design. Vanna is doing year-long storefronts, villages. Go check her channel out. Anything she did, music store, and this month she is doing churches. Anything church related qualifies. And she is doing a giveaway. So go check her out. Show some support to Vanna. All the details on how to join Vanna's event is in her videos. What else do we have? All right, we got that one. Okay. Did we talk about, yeah, okay. Next, Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. Yep. You know what event I'm thinking of first? Me. Hashtag celebrationsbirthdaydp. You can still enter till midnight tonight. Midnight tonight is the cutoff. Midnight Central Standard Time. So, I need an email of the picture you are completing at pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. You need to email your start photo. Whatever you're doing. You can do a coloring sheet. You can do a puzzle. You can knit something. You can be in the middle of doing a paint by number, in the middle of doing a puzzle, in the middle of doing a diamond painting. I don't care. Well, I do care, because I love to see what you're working on, and I love to see finished products. But you don't need a new start. You don't need a finish. You just need to be watching and posting, and let me know what your birthday is. Email me your birthday as well. If you want a card. If you don't want a card, that's fine. And if I don't have your address, you're not going to get a card. Duh. So make sure I have your address, and I will send you a card for your birthday month. There might be a little surprise in there. I don't know. It depends on my mood. Okay? All right. Here we go. The following event is Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. That's with diamonds and stuff, but it's not Wendy. It's Neal. He put up his first video yesterday. Go check it out. And you're going to learn about a steam train, a steam locomotive. Go check him out. You have to email Neal. So I'm sure in the description his email is in there. But it's also on the group Diamond Painting with Friends. His hashtag is hashtag planes, trains, auto, DP. You must use these hashtags in the Facebook group whenever you are posting about Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 events. Make sure you do that. Now, if you're not participating in those events and you do comment on something, you can still comment, but you're not going to be eligible for prizes. So make sure you get a like from me. If I've checked your thumbs up on your comment, that means I have your start photo and I have what I need. So, next is April. April is military first responders with Crafty Chef Diamond, hashtag military DP. Now, I'm sure that encompasses a lot of things. You could probably do tanks. You could do military aircraft. You could do any branch of the military. You can do bases like Dover or McGuire or Fort Dix or Herbert Field or Eglin or whatever base. Anything that reminds you of those bases. Flags, American flags, tanks, and anything that speaks military to you. Okay? Watch Crafty Chef, and she will put details out on that event, and that starts in April. Also in April, we have the 80s, with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Hashtag the 80SDP. I mean, that could be anything. That could be Elmo. You know, Elmo first appeared on Sesame Street in the 80s. So, you could do a cassette. You could do a boom box. You could do, there's a mini dazzle kit out there with some of these things on there. There's a Pretty Little Gems kit, I believe, with those things on there. You could do anything that speaks 80s to you. Anything that speaks 80s to you. If it's not obvious to us, write us a little paragraph on how this speaks 80s to you. Scarlet's pretty flexible. So contact Scarlet, watch her videos, and watch the Facebook post when it comes up. That is the 80s. So May, we have 3-year celebration Disney with, guess who? Crafty Chef Diamond. Hashtag 3-year celebration DP. Anything Disney. Disney is a whole lot of things. It's science, it's space, it's countries, it's states, it's characters, like Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Goofy, Stitch. How many of us have a Stitch canvas out there? Guilty. I have 2. One might be a giveaway at some point for some event. I don't know. So get hooked up with Crafty Chef Diamond. And also for May is superheroes. And that's with me, Pampered with Diamonds. And the hashtag is hashtag superheroesDP. There'll be more details to come on that, but as long as you have a superhero, it should be good. Superheroes are in Disney cartoons, in my opinion. They could just be your typical ones that you think of. Spider-Man, Superman, The Flash, Captain America. It could be any of those. So more details are to come. But this month, April and May, start getting your stuff together so that you're ready for these events. They will be fun. I guarantee it. You're going to learn something too, whether you like it or not. Whoa, what a list. What a list. There should be something on this list for anybody. Anybody. And most people are pretty flexible. So pick one, join in, and remember, with my event, you don't need a fresh start. You don't need a finish. You just need to interact with me. That's all. It's simple. Okay? That is all I have. So, be kind to everyone you meet.